Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good afternoon everyone. We are from Everai 099 with me Ratna Wulandari and with two my partners are Arga Dipta Putratama and Grace Agustina. In this video, we are going to explain about facility layout and analysis our business if we want to build a production company. Our company production is EduTrain, and EduTrain is a children's educational toy in the form of a train. In this first slide, there are a company logo, vision and mission, and the organizational structure. Next. This slide is business overview. These are a company logo, vision, mission, and organizational structure. In the vision is become a national class manufacturing industry with its main product in the form of a toy train called EduTrain. And our mission, these are maintenance product quality provisions, developing products with innovative function in it, and develop learning interest in children through this product. And this is our organizational structure. In this slide is STP analysis and marketing mix. The table of content, these are STP analysis, such as segmenting, targeting, positioning, and next marketing mix, these are place, price, product, and promotion. And this slide is STP analysis. These are segmenting, targeting, and positioning. The first is segmenting, geographical segmenting, demographic, and the behavior. The second is targeting, and the third is position. And this slide is marketing mix. These are place, price, product, and promotion. The next slide is strategy and marketing plan. The table of content, these are situation analysis and analysis of estimated marketing costs. Situation analysis with SWOT analysis. These are strength, weakness, opportunity, and the threat. You can see in this slide analysis of estimate marketing costs. In this slide, in analysis of estimated marketing costs, we will do promotion with huge website and poster. We need one website for 1 year and the total cost is 390,000 rupiah and we need 12 poster for promotion for 1 year and the total cost for poster is 900,000 rupiah. So the calculation of total cost that must be spent in 1 year is 1,290,000 rupiah. And the slide is production plan. The table of content, these are demand forecasting, sales target based on field survey, and production volume. Demand forecasting in this slide in this analysis is 3,758 and 4 months of buyer per year in the sales target based on field survey and production volume always increasing every year, start from year 2021 until year 2025. This slide is SDM plan. The table of content, these are supply research need before recruitment, forecasting supply research need after recruitment, and recruitment and selection process. In this slide, we know total resource we need before recruitment is 16 and we need after recruitment is 21. Because there is an increase in production operator, we add 10 operators. So total operator we need is 11 operators and production capacity per year is 5,833. In this slide, we open recruitment and selection process for direct research and indirect resources with promotion, use the poster.
So the next slide will be presented by me. The next slide is talking about marketing cost estimation, management cost estimation, investment cost estimation, depreciation and maintenance, estimated production and operational costs, and the last is income statement. In analysis of estimated marketing costs, we will do promotion with use website and poster. We need one website for 1 year with the total cost is 390,000 and we need 12 posters for promotion for 1 year. And the total cost for poster is 900,000. So the calculation of total cost that must be spent in 1 year is equal to 1,290,000. In management cost estimation, we determine direct cost planning, start from salaries and allowance costs, total recruitment costs, accident insurance costs, life insurance costs, healthcare insurance costs, welfare employees costs, THR, and bonus. So we know the calculation of total direct labor costs in year 2021 until 2025. Besides that, we also determine executive costs and determine indirect costs. Besides that, we also determine executive costs and determine indirect cost planning too. Investment cost estimation. We determine cost estimation for machine and facility, tools, transportation, and general administration in year 2024. Because this was chosen from economic life in is for year. Because we start production from year 2021, so we need to determine the calculation of investment cost until year 2024. After that, we must determine the calculation of depreciation cost and maintenance cost until year 2025. This is because we do forecasting until year 2025. This is the
Oh,
depreciation cost and maintenance cost. Estimation product and operational cost. We must determine estimation product and operational cost consists of direct costs, factory overhead costs, and operating costs from year 2021 until year 2025. In this production, we need working day for 240 days per year. After that, we determine the total project cost and source of fund. Income statement. We must determine the profit loss. Profit loss is part of a company's financial statements produced in an accounting period that describes the elements of the company's income and expenses so as to produce a net profit or loss. Profit loss seen from EAIT or earning after interest and tax value. The next slide will be talking about feasibility analysis, calculation of net present value and payback period, internal rate of return calculation, calculation of benefit cost ratio, and, sensitivity analysis, calculation of raw material sensitivity, and calculation of sell price sensitivity. Feasibility analysis. In feasibility analysis, we will determine that NPV or net present value and payback period calculation with initial cash flow in period 0 and there is empty column in period 0 because there is no operational in the period 0. In this table, we can know that NPV value is 13,167,642,000 and 689 with interest rate 9.95% and payback period 1.1. Internal rate of return calculation. After that, we will determine internal rate of return or IRR calculation. IRR is a method of calculating investment by calculating the interest rate that equates the present value of an investment with the present value of future net cash receipts. In this table, we know IRR value is 67.69%. Benefit cost ratio calculation. After that, we will determine benefit cost ratio calculation. Benefit cost ratio is method of investment feasibility. Basically, the calculation of the investment feasibility method emphasizes that benefits and costs of an investment can be a business or project. In this table, we know BCR value is 1.39. Sensitivity analysis. And the last step is determine sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis is an analysis conducted to determine the effect of changes in production parameters to change in production system performance in generating profits. We must determine the calculation of raw material sensitivity with percent increasing in raw material is 50%. In the table of calculation of raw material sensitivity, we know NPV value is 2,38,168,455 with interest rate value is 9.95%. We also determine the calculation of raw material sensitivity with percent increasing in raw material is 60%. In the table of calculation of raw material sensitivity, we know NPV value as in table with interest rate value is 9.95%. After we do sensitivity analysis, we get the summary is based on the analysis of sensitivity to raw materials. The sensitivity value obtained is increasing by 69.35%. Calculation of sales price sensitivity. The next step is determine the calculation of sales price sensitivity. We must determine the calculation of sales price sensitivity with percent increasing in raw material is 20%. In the table of calculation of raw material sensitivity, we know NPV value is as in table with interest rate value is 9.95%. We also determine the calculation of raw material sensitivity with percent increasing in raw material is 25%. In the table of calculation of raw material sensitivity, we know NPV value is as in table with interest rate value is 9.95%. And the last slide. After we do sensitivity analysis, we get the summary. Based on the analysis of sensitivity to selling prices, the sensitivity value obtained in increasing by 69.35%. Thank you for your attention. The next slide is about facility layout by Arga Dita Pratama.
Now we are going to explanation session on final report of facility layout with me Argadipta Pratama. There is a table of content of for this the discussion of the facility layout. Consists of distance from supplier to company, location selected by ranking factor, routing sheet, maximum stacking, MHE chosen, optimal delivery time, frequency of delivery for each process, total area, FTC, initial layout after ARC, and final layout. This is the distance from factory to supplier. There is three prospective factories are selected, located in Kabupaten Bandung, Kota Bandung, and Kota Cimahi. While potential supplier would choose is Nuansa Kayu Pinus. Nuansa Kayu Pinus are wood supplier located in Kiara Condong at Kota Bandung. Next, next supplier is Toko Sumber Warna. That is a paint supplier located in Kecamatan Regol, Kota Bandung. And Perkakasku.com is a supplier of supporting equipment located in Batu Nunggal, Kota Bandung. This is the coordinate point and total area of the prospective factory location to be selected. This is a quantitative factor. Quantitative factors are divided into four terms. There is UMK or land cost, land availability, and distance from supplier to factories. The the quantitative factors is compared with several perspectives that will be selected by finding the optimum point. This is qualitative factors. Qualitative factors consist of the quality of human resource, infrastructure, potential disasters, and potential market. The qualitative factors is compared with several prospective factors that will be selected by finding the optimum point. This is a value of a quantitative vectors. This is a ranking of the vectors of prospective factory A. There is Kabupaten Bandung. It consists of the values of quantitative vectors and qualitative vectors with the final value of 77.65. This is a ranking of vectors from prospective factory B. There is Kota Bandung. It consists of the value of quantitative vectors and qualitative vectors with the final value of 70, 79.59. This is ranking vectors from the prospective factory C. There is there is Kota Cimahi. It consists of the value of quantitative vectors and qualitative vectors with the final value of 69.26. The selected factory chosen is the Kota Bandung with the value of 70, 79.59. This is a routing sheet table. Production that can be made in one day is 21 pieces. It can be concluded that the total number of machines actually needed is 50, 15 units. This is the maximum stacking. Maximum stacking is the maximum of the goods. This is the selected of material handling equipment. Material handling equipment chosen from the unit load calculation. There is 21. This is the optimal delivery time. The most of the most optimal time is unit load 21 by 152 seconds. This is frequency of delivery for each process. There is one frequency of delivery per process. This is the total area that will be used to build a factory with a total area of 69 meter. This is FTC table. FTC is from to chart. FTC is the cost that must be incurred to carry out a process. This is the initial layout of the factory that with several facilities. This is the final layout obtained from the software WinKSB calculation. Thank you for watching.